Hello, everybody. This is Chrissy from SolsticeATR and Vulcan Capital Research. What I wanted to do is basically go over some of the technicals that we use for trading in order to help others and just give some idea whether you are a professional or an average trader out there. What I'm going to use is the tick chart $TICK. This is actually allows us to see what the S&P 500 is doing in the overall market, if it is bullish, going sideways, or down, or going down. What we can do is basically by monitoring the Fortune 500 company, we can get a better idea if we are going to be pushing up or pushing down during that period of time. So what I've used is kind of giving you an idea in the range. If we are range bound, that means the tick, anything that's positive on the S&P 500 by plus 1 cent, it's going to give us an uptick. Anything that's negative by 1 cent is going to give us a downtick. That's how we measure if the S&P is bullish or bearish, by using the advanced decline line, looking at the breadth of the market, looking at the ticks, and where the S&P E-mini Fortune 500 company is heading from the morning. And I have actually Los Angeles time here. This is 6:30 in the morning till 1:15 in the afternoon, where the market closes in the futures. So this is giving us where if the technicals are bullish or bearish. 400 range is range bound. Above 400 directional to the bulls to 600. Below 400 directional for the bears. And if we're going sideways, we are range bound in that range. If we get a plus 600, we are bullish. If we get a minus 600, we are bearish. If we are above 800, bulls take over, bears left the building. If we are minus 800, that means the bears take over, bulls left the building. If we get a plus 1,000, it's directional for the bulls, minus 1,000 directional to the bears. And what I'm going to do is summarize this time by a little faster time frame, by using a 10-day 30-minute chart, just to give you an idea how it looks like if we are going to be bullish or bearish by looking at the technicals. And I'm going to go 5 days out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to give you an idea in which direction we are moving. If you notice, Monday we had a plus 1,000. We were bullish in the morning, then we went sideways action. On Tuesday we had an up move and fell down. Wednesday we had side market. Thursday we had an up move and we fell down and tried to come back to close in Tuesday's range. And on Friday we were a little bit bullish. We fell down a little bit in the afternoon to come back up and close in the up market. Let me look at the 5-minute range on the tick chart, showing you the direction of the move on Friday morning. If we can look at it, we were climbing in an incline above the zero tick. We had a little bit of, minus 400 range, but the ticks were actually climbing towards the bull side. We had this little push up in the morning till about 8:25, 8:30, and we eventually lost the strength. Then we fell down to here a little bit in the range bound up, and we went sideways in the morning after the morning rush till the afternoon, till we came back on the East Coast, which is around 10:30 California time. It's about 1:30 there. We grinded a little lower and eventually climbed back up in the 20 range, and we fell down into the close at the 1 o'clock to close at 3,019.50. So remember, the ticks are your friends. If we are range bound, we are once again in the 400. Above 400 to 600 bullish. Below 400 to 600 is bearish. If the bull's going to take over, you're going to get a plus 800 to 1,000. If the bear's going to take over, minus 800 and below to 1,000. So I hope this was helpful, and look forward to seeing you at SolsticeATR and Vulcan Capital Research. You can check me out at uh, Discord or on Twitter. My name is Chrissy Farah, CHRISI FARAH. You can look us up once again or check us out on Discord.